What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Lord Zero is here. Yes, I'm back. It feels good to be back making videos. It's been a while. We're not going to even get into any of that, where I've been. Nope, none of that. Let's get to it. We have here the new MacBook Pro 16-inch. I am so excited. I finally got one. And this is the new one that just came out a few days ago. He had a press conference last week on Monday, and it came out, and I bought it because I'm gonna get back to making videos, making content. You know, all the good stuff that you guys like to watch. So let's get into it. Let's get this unboxed. They have a little pull tab here. I'm gonna try to make sure this is good. So let's go. Sorry, my table's making noise. It's the feet on the table. It's from IKEA, so yeah, you're gonna hear that. Oh, plastic. I made it in the trash can. Let's turn it the right way for me. Oh, that was the box. I'm just gonna lay that down there. And give this a little tug here. You can see it's in this little plastic thing there. Alright, let's fix this to the side. We'll see what else is in the box. Oh, yes, and here is the charging cable, the MagSafe. One thing everybody's talking about, making big things, that this is going to be amazing. So I'm looking forward to this MagSafe. It'll make it easier. I wish it would all was MagSafe and maybe USB-C. That would be great, but whatever. And also all the paperwork. So all the paperwork here. Where's my stickers? I want my stickers. My stickers, yes. And we're gonna add it to the table. Add the stickers to the table. Yeah. Stickers done. I think that's all that's in here. Oh, and I think that's the booklet. Yeah, that's it. That's everything. That is everything. And the new charging brick. Everybody's already talking about that. I'll go ahead and rip that off. There you go, guys. Nice weight to it. Still comes off the way they used to. Pop that in. USB-C. Little tabs there. Boom. And the cable just comes right out. Oop, oop. Come on, get out of there. No, you wanna. There we go. It's a long cable too. I like that. Very long cable. Very long. Like it. All right. Put that over there. Excuse me for 1 second as I throw that away. Put that down there. Now to what everybody wants to look at. So let's go ahead and flip that over. Ooh. It's a nice weight to this. Just want to say it's very nice weight. It is very nice. The finish. I think I got the space gray. And I don't know if you can see this on the screen. There is a MacBook written across right there. Oh, that mirror finish with the logo. Kind of a blacked out mirror finish with the logo there. Let's get this out of the way. And everybody's talking about the ports, HDMI, USB-C, Thunderbird 4, SD card slot, and then there is headphone jack, nice, the MagSafe, and 2 more ports right there, Thunderbird 4, and then right there, as I was saying, The other ports are right there. God, this is nice. It feels good. Has a nice weight to it. Doesn't bother me at all. So let's go ahead and... Ah, nice. I like that. We'll go ahead and take that off. As it turns on, this is nice. Oh, it's blacked out. Has a fingerprint scanner right there. Oh, function keys. Oh, the hello. Oh, I love it. Oh, hola. Hello, my new MacBook Pro. Hi, how are you? This is awesome. I love it. I love it. It's doing... Oh, there we go. This is very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, the screen. And you know what, the notch? Everyone's talking about this notch. You know, I don't have a problem with it. It doesn't bother me on the computer. It makes more sense for me to see this on the computer. This is just my first impressions. I absolutely love it. The speakers are right here, as you can see. Speakers are right there. There is also, like I said, a fingerprint scanner, which I'm super excited about. Function keys. No more touch bar. I am very happy about that because I had the 13 M1 for a little bit, and I didn't like the touch bar. That was weird. It was very weird. I'm just gonna throw that out there. So that was my first impression, unboxing of this. I love it. It is great. I'll have more videos out later. This is just my unboxing, really quick unboxing. I just really wanted to get this. Oh my God, this is just beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, it's such a beautiful, beautiful machine. It reminds me of the iBooks. That's what it really reminds me of. I had the white iBook. Insert picture. If I can find a picture, I'll insert one. And it just looked beautiful. Oh, just beautiful. And I love it. And this reminds me of what the edges, the round edges, and just everything. It's just, oh, I'm super excited to get back into making content, getting this set up. It's just easy to open. It's just, oh, and yeah, there's no MacBook here. Oh, this is just nice. This touchpad, it's huge. I love it. I have a mouse. I'm going to go ahead and hook
up. Main language. Press the return key.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll do that later. Calm down. So later, I'm going to set this up here very shortly. Again, I'll have more videos later on in the week on my impressions, on how I love this thing. I can't stop looking at the screen. I'm sorry. It's beautiful. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh. This thing is beautiful. Oh, I just want to look at it all the time. Sorry, I know I should get really back into finish this video. Give me a second. I'm going to set this up a little really fast. Ah, there it is. United States. Boom. Now. And I'll do the Wi-Fi and stuff later. Anywho, that was my MacBook Pro 16-inch M1 Max. I'm super excited. Oh, I got the, excuse me, it's on the box, so I'm going to read that off to you. I got 32 gigs of unified memory, a terabyte of SSD, and you know about the ports. I've already mentioned about the ports as well. It's the 10-core CPU, the 32-core GPU. You know, I went as ham as I could without going too crazy because some of the configurations were crazy. Just crazy out there. And I was going to try to get one on, you know, an early access to get it on launch day. But I actually still got one on launch day. I got it. I got it yesterday. I went up. I actually ordered it really early. I woke up really early to get this ordered. And then I went back to bed for a little bit. And then went to work, and then picked it up after work, and picked up a couple other things we're gonna unbox here very shortly. So, thank you guys for listening to me ramble on, and look at this beautiful, beautiful machine. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous, you guys. It is very gorgeous. I'm very excited. Thank you again, and I will see you guys later. Deuce.